Hi everybody. So today we're going to talk about EQ, emotional intelligence. How can we improve our emotional intelligence, Shashank?
So before we get started on how you can improve emotional intelligence, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. It helps us make better videos for you guys. Did you guys know that 90% of high performers have high emotional intelligence and 80% of low performers have low emotional intelligence? That shows the importance of emotional intelligence. And in one of our videos, we have talked about how leaders focus on emotional intelligence over IQ. I'm going to give you 4 ways to improving your emotional intelligence. And just so you know, unlike IQ, you can actually evolve and grow emotional intelligence if you have the desire to grow it. Tip number 1, reduce negativity in your life. When you focus on positive things and look at positive things around your life, in every single aspect of your life, you will be growing your emotional intelligence. It's proven by research.
So gratitude.
Yes. Tip number 2, learn to deal with stress. You know, with our hectic lifestyles, we all are always under stress, and that takes a toll on our emotional intelligence. So make sure you find ways to eliminating stress, or at least lessening it to some extent in your life. Tip number 3, introspect or meditate. I believe in the latter. Meditation is really important. When you try to introspect and look within, it really helps you improve or grow your emotional intelligence. A lot of people do not do that. We have kind of lost the art of introspecting or looking within ourselves. We always look at things outside of us. Learn to look within and you'll see the difference in your perception and your attitude. And the last tip that I have for you is involve in some kind of hobby, especially some kind of physical hobby, such as exercise. You know, it releases endorphins, make you feel happier, it improves your intelligence. Those were our 4 tips to improving emotional intelligence. And when you improve emotional intelligence, you'll become a better leader. You'll be able to empower your employees to performing better at their work as well.
So what are you doing to improve your emotional intelligence? Go ahead and leave your comments below, and we'll talk to you next time.